What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send the email in the Freshsales CRM. So for that, the process is very simple. Just click on the link in the description below, and you will be redirected to this dashboard on the Freshsales platform. So just log in with the official account, and on the top right side, you will see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. It will show you a bunch of options. For example, add contact, multiple things, but there's an option to send email. So there is another option to send email, which is over here, right on the right side with the email icon. So just go ahead and click on that and it will redirect you to a mailbox. So yeah, so you guys can use the template, insert fields, add the follow-ups and all that stuff. But first you have to connect your email account with it. And once you have decided what you want to send, you have the right subject line and all this stuff. Just go ahead and click on send and it will be sent right away. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.